Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aquarius 8 sign. This is August weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on, Aquarius. Messages for Aquarius. So under the deck, 8 of Swords, 10 of Swords, Chariot, 8 of Wands. I think there will be lots of communication in future, and for some, yeah, the relationship between you and your person is in slow moving, but communication is coming, and at the same time you're feeling stuck, you are very tired, Aquarius. Yeah, so let's see your reading. Recent past: Two of Cups, clarification card, Eight of Pentacles, Queen of Wands, and Justice. So yeah, the love is mutual between you and your person. It's a soulmate connection. I think there is no balance in this connection. You are working hard to maintain balance in this connection, but your person may be in and out of your life. There is, you are very passionate. You are always taking action when required in this connection, but they only taking, not giving in return. Definitely, there is no balance. There is love. There is no doubt about it, but there is no balance at all. You only the person always taking care of this relationship. Then present King of Cups, clarification card, Seven of Wands, Six of Pentacles, and Five of Cups. So you still love this person, but you are defensive right now. You are protecting your emotions. You are becoming defensive. And Six of Pentacles and Five of Cups. Definitely there is no equal give and take. They're neglecting you, or they're treating you as an option. So that's why you're feeling sad. Five of Cups is here. That's why you're feeling sad. But you are becoming defensive. Then future King of Pentacles, clarification card, Knight of Cups, Four of Pentacles, and Temperance. So you are balancing your life, you are balancing things in your life, and you are holding back, you are not opening up to anybody, especially emotionally, but someone is coming into your life. For some, this could be a brand new person. For some, it could be a past person, depending upon your situation. But I am seeing multiple options for some. So you're focusing on your money, King of Pentacles. Your total focus is on your financial stability. But someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you, and you are not opening up. You are not believing anybody because due to past issues. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. And their intentions. Under the deck, Five of Swords with Wheel of Fortune and Seven of Wands. So still there are some issues, some arguments, some fightings between you and your person, and they're waiting for divine timing. Maybe they're waiting for right time, but they won't give up on you easily, Aquarius, because the current feelings, Five of Pentacles, clarification cards, Three of Wands, and Nine of Swords. So they are losing their nights over you. They are missing you so much. So for what they did to you, now they are paying for that. And yes, even though you are in separation, for some you are in long distance relationship, they want some positive growth in this relationship. So they are feeling guilty for what they did to you. Now they are in this energy. Yeah, they're realizing their mistake and their intentions. King of Pentacles, clarification cards, 10 of Pentacles, and 8 of Pentacles. So now they are very very serious about you. They really want to work on this relationship. Yes, even though it is slow, but it is stable. Definitely your person is ready to offer stability, or they want to marry you if you are in relationship. If you're already married, so they want to take this relationship to next level, Aquarius. Yeah, they're realizing their mistake. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on in the outcome. Yeah, they do love you. Definitely they wanna marry you. They want a happy life with you, and they want a happy life, and they want childrens with you, and definitely they do love you. And the person involved in this connection could be Scorpio, sorry, Gemini or Virgo. Definitely they are going through a tougher moment, but they wanna commit to you. Commitment is coming, upgrade in relationship. And you are being very cold to them, and you are thinking through your logical mind. You are not expressing your emotions, but they are rushing to communicate with you. Definitely communication is coming, and you are feeling stuck. Yeah, for some you are also obsessed with this person. Definitely you are feeling stuck. So let's see mutual energies. Yeah, new beginnings, long term commitment, communication is coming. Yeah, reconciliation, there is a chance for reconciliation, lots of you, and you both have strong emotions towards each other. Three of Pentacles with Queen of Cups. Wow, definitely new beginnings. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aquarius. Finances and career, retreat, I still love you. So the messages are finances and career, retreat, I still love you, and toxic person. For some, this person may be toxic for you. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aquarius. The answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini, Gemini energy. So the answers you need are coming, especially when full moon in Gemini. Your commitment is being tested first quarter moon. So if you're going through a difficult phase in your career or in your relationship, be honest and do your work. You will pass your test. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.